What's up, guys? It's your boy, Key. Today we play some Beat Swarm. Let's claim a hive. There we go. You can see I have a gifted Riley bee. Wait, what? Is this a glitch or somehow? Let me just fix that. There we go, I fixed the glitch. Okay, here's a gifted Riley bee right here. You might know it's actually up there. I got this bear bee off camera, You know what? My voice is right here. It's my voice. I favor the way to get my voice in a video. Like on some hunt from a mushroom field. Alright. Let's speak. Oh. I don't have enough tickets to use it. You know, I have this cool glider. Even I have mountaintop. Hey, Spider Buds. Hey, buddy. You know what? Bam. Bam. Wait, I want to go to mountaintop. I actually have mountaintop. I have mountaintop. I'm just gonna go there. Look, that's a cool trick, right? Another trick is not gonna spawn. Oh, is this gonna boost us? Oh, remember the video where this would boost us? Let's use it now. Spider boost. Spider field boost. Okay, let's go. Let's go to Spider Field. It's not far. It's just down here, right? Right, guys. It's just down here. The spider's not even here. Look, it's boosting up. Oh, I'm Black Bear now. I'm Black Bear. I'm Black Bear. Subscribe and like. Hey, ew. Let's beat those ladybugs. Oh. Wait, I never get that. I never got that from a ladybug before. Wow. Oh, I'm burning hot. Okay, let's go to Cloverfield now. Let's go to Cloverfield. Oh, let's do a honey storm. I make F and F vids. You gotta watch them. It's cool. Oh, and Panda Bear. Oh, King Beetle. Hey, King Beetle, how you doing? Hey, it's me, King Beetle. Can you beat me up? Like in 1 second? I don't think so. What do you say? Can you beat me up in 1 second? I didn't know what you talking about. Forget it. I need a translator for the Bucko Bee and the Riley Bee. King Beetle is me. Hey, I'm gonna kill you. It's my secret base. Sorry, King Beetle. Hey, I was trying to beat you, King. How's your... This is easy. Alright, get the honeys out. Who let the honeys out? Boy, me. Let's check the badges. There's no mountaintop badge. I'm missing game rules. Vids. That are pretty cool. I play 3 games in one video. Is that cool? Guys, let me know in the comments if that's cool. Alright. Thanks for watching and peace. Bye.